Can a one-day bike tour take you to a few of the most remarkable whitewashed villages in Andalusia and back home the same day? Cinematic retro rides certainly can. On this tour, we set off from Mijas. What a start! Although Mijas is very near the busy coast, it's a great introduction to get a perfect feel of what you're about to experience. With a magnificent view from its mirador, we set off to Ronda, where we enjoyed an Andalusian breakfast and a short walk in el barrio. Off to one of my favorite spots, Sierra de la Sierra. No matter where you see it from, it's just impressive. Next stop was El Bosque and its local cheese and museum. This area has a quite unique goat cheese made from the milk of the Payoyo goats. Not something to miss if you're traveling through this part. A few amazing landscapes later, we find the cheese factory, which is also worth a visit. As we start to head back home, Grazalema is our next brief stop. One of those villages hidden up in the mountains, which take your breath away when you see it, before a beautiful and nice long stretch back to base. With days like these, all you think of is when do we go out again for a ride? Come along and book your next tour with cinematic retro rides.